Hello everyone. Yesterday I given basic concept of chapter 19. Today I will continue this chapter. Sphere. Sphere, an object which is to the which is in the shape of a hole is said to have the sphere shape of the sphere. This is the sphere. For example, sphere has curved surface. Curved. Sphere has no vertex, no line, no edge. स्फीयर की कोई वर्टेक्स नहीं है ना, देखो तो गोल, ना कोई वर्टेक्स है, ना कोई एज है, ठीक है, ना कोई वर्टेक्स है और ना ही एज है। और एग्जाम्पल फुटबॉल, वॉलीबॉल। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज कोन। Object such as an ice cream cone, a conical tent, conical whistle, a clown's cap, etc. are in the shape of cone. Some examples of cones are given below. Cone, ice cream cone, example conical tent, cap, joker cap. A cone has plain circular end as the base and curved surface tapering into a point called its vertex. This is the shape of cone. This is the vertex. Cone has one plane face, base, curved surface. This is the vertex. A cone has one plane face and one curved face. It has one circular edge and one vertex. You learned that this. Underline the students. A cone has one plane face and one curved face. It has one circular edge and one vertex. Next is triangular prism. Triangular prism, a solid whose lateral surfaces are rectangular and its bases are congruent triangles, is called a triangular prism. This is the triangular prism. Triangle, one triangle base and one triangle top. The adjoining figure shows a triangular prism denoted by triangle ABC and PQR. This is the ABC and PQR. This is the triangle. A triangle prism has six vertex. A, B, C, P, Q, R. Okay. How many vertex? 6 vertex. 3 rectangular lateral faces. 1 rectangular 1, 2 and 3. 3 faces and 2 triangular faces. 2 triangle, 1 and a base 1. Total 5 faces and edges 9 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next is, do you understand? Next is pyramid. A pyramid is a solid whose base is a plane rectilinear figure. ये जो pyramid है, this is the shape of pyramid. ये rectilinear figure है, rectangle पे बना है, whose side face is a rectangle. Triangle having a common vertex. Vertex क्या है? Common. O इधर भी है, इधर भी है, इधर भी है, इधर भी है. Called the vertex of the pyramid. The length of the perpendicular drawn from the vertex of pyramid to its base is called the height of the pyramid. The side faces of a pyramid are called its lateral faces. Square pyramid, its square base. A solid whose base is a square and whose side faces are triangle having a common vertex is called a square pyramid. The giant figure shows a square pyramid O O A B C D. O as vertex, the square ABCD as its base, and OP as its height. Square pyramid has 4 lateral triangular faces and 8 edges. 4 lateral triangle faces. 1, 2, complete. 3 and 1 और बीच में 4. Next is rectangle pyramid. Means इसे we call this tetrahedron. This is the important tetrahedron. Okay, a solid whose base is a triangle and whose side faces are triangles having a common vertex is called a triangular pyramid. The giant figure shows a triangular pyramid O A B C O. O is vertex and ABC as its base. Triangle pyramid has a three triangular lateral faces and triangle base and 6 edges. Triangular pyramid is also called a tetrahedron. ट्रायंगुलर pyramid को हम क्या कहते हैं? टेट्राहेड्रन. इसे आप टेट्राहेड्रन भी बोलते हो. दिस इज important. Only you have learned the basic concept of this chapter: vertex, edges and faces also, the whole figure. Okay students, and do the exercise 19 and fill in the book. Okay, in books. Next, today homework is chapter 19 complete. Do in book and learn the basic concept. Okay, thank you.